Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday, October 3rd, and it started raining. It's supposed to rain the next 4 days. Just want to make this short video and show you how is the rain bad for the figs. For some varieties, I picked most of my figs just now because it was raining all the night, and I saw most of the fig splitting. This is my Black Madeira. I picked two of them. They opened. This is my Black Tuscan. I picked two of them. My I-258. I picked maybe two or three. Let me show you guys. This is my Black Tuscan. We have this one, and we have this another one. They're not ripe yet. I've been almost like 6-7 days waiting. It was sunny, nice weather, and they have nice shape, close eye. And then it just started raining last night, and today morning they open like this. This is Black Tuscan. This is my I-258. This one right here. We have this another one. This is my yellow long neck. I got this from Harvey. This white Madeira #1. We have Motoso Brito. All this Motoso Brito. Some of them, they have really nice colors, like rose color, and oh, this is my Martinica Ramada. I've been waiting for this forever, and just split. I got another 4, so we have another 4 chances to get good one. This is my Black Madeira. This Black Madeira KK, it didn't split from the eye, it split just from the side. So I have this is from John, from Fruit Nut, and this one from KK. They look, so the one from John has like always green at the bottom, but the one from KK has purple at the bottom. I don't know if this is common. I just noticed that different. And this is my Paradiso Bronze. This Tiramo didn't split, but it dropped. I found it next to the tree. Yeah, the rain is really bad in East America. If you grow fig in Northeast or Southeast, this is what you get when you have a rain. So next year I'm trying to give all these varieties a head start. Make sure all this ripening in end of August, mid of September. If you wait till October, this is what you get. Thank you for watching.